Yes, bafethu. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, bafethu. Doesn't cost a thing, bafethu. Yeah, bafethu. This is Thembinkosi Lodge, bafethu. Uceda ukukora. He scored his third goal of the season, bafethu. Plus one assist in 6 matches. That means he's been involved directly to 4 matches. Yeah, directly involved. Bafethu. I think mina bafethu i-prime yakalodge yiyo le bafethu. If you can be honest, ku-Pirates bekayi-star most famous, not because i-contribution ye-soccer, if you can be fair bafethu. And to a point where kuthi besekabizwa umjida 3 bheka manje i-progress ayenzile umjida u-3 since asuka ku-Pirates. Let's be honest bafethu. Umjida u-3 the same guy ombize uLodge ngomjida 3 akadlali manje. The same guy uyastrugglisha and ustrugglisha ku-Kaizer Chiefs. The same guy. Yabo. You can't keep a good man down bafethu. uNkulunkulu usebenza ngey'ndlela ey'hlukile bafethu. Phuma yini ama-documentary bathi uLodge is a bad player, is a bad influence ku-squad. Amakawina wara akafuni amanye ama-player. Bheka lapha ku-Wydad Casablanca uye nge-loan to a point i-team ithi hhayi sicela ukumthenga ku-Sundowns. Sundowns sathi hhayi mfethu siyokuhambisa vele fire. Manje angazi sewune-year alapha e-Wydad Casablanca uLodge. Angezwa bathi uLodge this and that, uLodge this and that, uLodge is a bad boy akafuni iCasablanca iwine, uLodge angezwa. That shows ukuthi bafethu sometimes elifini bafethu yabo ucindezela abantu abakwaziyo, not just because bayakupenda. Because abanye abantu bayayibhiliva lento leya ukuthi uLodge bekangafuni ukuphasa amanye ama-player ku-Pirates. uLodge like hhayi bafethu, congratulation to uLodge bafethu. Let's keep on supporting uLodge. Another thing bafethu engifuna ngathi singayicoca bafethu, ile yokuthi uHugo Broos ama-player awa-select-ayo, mina ngizohlezi ngisho lento. Ngiyibone ku-podcast engeke ngisho ngegama but uMdledle, Innocent Mdledle, if wawubukela ibhola ngabo-2008 uzomazi. Innocent Mdledle uthe once ungasuka ku-Pirates, you will never play for iBafana Bafana. Not because usuke, but if usuke yabo i-problem, you will never play. Nawa boNkotha basukile, abanye abantu bangathi unamanga yena uNkotha usukile ku-Pirates mara usadlala. It's because the process was good. Yabo, i-Pirates i-benefit-ile and beyifuna ukumthengisa. It's not like beyifuna ukumgcina, beyifuna ukumthengisa. Yabo. So abo-Lodge mfethu abahambanga ngesihle lapha ku-Pirates, bekungasazwana kahle yabo. So naku-national team mfethu ngikutshela nangabo-Saleng, uSaleng angaba top performer ku-Orbit. Ingadliwa i-Orbit, ihlezi idliwa mara uSaleng makayi-top performer befanele abizwe ku-national team because we know i-capability yakaSaleng bafethu. We know. It's like manje umdlalisa ngiyabekisa umdlalisa nama-grade 3, uthi adlale nama-player ku-P_S_L ahamba ne-squad sama-grade 3, kufanele awine. Uzoyikhera kanjani i-team nama-player anjalo? But mawumfaka ku-national team yonke i-asset ayifunayo ikhona, umsebenzi uzoba simple. La phela siyenzela ukuthi kuzowina i-Sundowns, i-Pirates, senzela i-national team yethu iBafana Bafana. Siyazi ukuthi sinalo ithalente, siyazi bafethu, angeke sihlulwe abelungu base-Germany, siyazi i-South Africa ine-talent ediskini, nazi. Instead bazolanda umuntu odlala le ngoba udlale e-Europe, abo-Live Foster bazolanda bona. Into engikutshela yona abo-Live Foster basadlala namanje kuBafana Bafana ngoba usuke ku-Pirates ngesihle. Sizwe ngo-Innocent Mdledle, maningathembi niyiguguleni lento niyi-check-e nizwe nizoyithola. Innocent Mdledle azange adlale ku-World Cup ya-2010 in which bekayi-best number 3 e-South Africa. Just imagine, best number 3 bafethu. Hayi bafethu, we need Hugo Broos awenza into e-right bafethu. We need to put i-pressure. You can check, bangambiza nge-AFCON ne-Uluju, uzobona. He will make it kule squad esizoya ku-World Cup. Ayasolo kana-32 or 33. If uZwane bafethu, sihamba noZwane. Omunye umuntu odlala le position yakaZwane ubani? Akusiwo uye uLodge, uye. Abo-Adams fine, abo-Adams uyabona nawo u-Sundowns. He still needs to learn. UZwane ulene 10 years ahlezi ebhentshini lapha ku-Sundowns. Ayi-second option or third option or fourth option azange a-complain. Nale nto yokuthi Hugo Broos uzothi iplayer malingajoyina i-Sundowns angeke lisadlale ku-national team, akusiyo into ofanele ngabe u-coach uyayisho leyo. Ufuna ajoyine yiphi i-team? Ngoba naye ufuna imali and ufuna ukuwina ama-title. Angeke phela ngithi mina ngidlalela ukubizelwa esquadini kuphela. Hhayi, ayikhulumi leyo nto. I-squad sibhadala malini per year? Labo wonke lama-player alikho iplayer eliyakhindlwa ngemali eliyithola esquadini, isalary yaku-squad alikho. Ungangikhomba lona eli-one la e-South Africa. Manje why fanele bayele esquadini? Ayikho right le nto. Nina niyamsaba u-Hugo Broos, thina sizomtshela ukuthi hey baba, le nto leyo oyikhulumayo ayikhulunywa. Le yokuthi uthi wena hey Bassadini Hugo nobani le ntwana no-Adams, if ba-continue i-career yabo ku-Sundowns, angeke basachubeke badlale lapha ku-squad. Uchaza ukuthini kahle kahle? Yabo uma ukhuluma nabantu abadoma angeke bakuzwe mara thina siyakuzwa. Ufuna bajoyine yiphi i-team wena oyithandayo? Iyiphi i-team eshoda ngama-player enganawo ama-player 11? Ikhombe. Ikhombe ukuthi le inama-player ayi-7, kushoda uBassadini no-Adams bazothi 9, kushode uyayibona? I-Pirates this season inama-player ayingakhi? Ayina-48? Ina-48, ayishodi nangabadlali, ayishodi next. Ufuna bayijoyine bani? Kaizer Chiefs inangaki? Ayina-40 abadlali this season. Awu, yazi u-Hugo Broos naye omunye nje simlinde ukuthi adliwe le AFCON le, aloku a-select abangani bakhe abonye ikomobi. Uzobona, sizomngenela e-stadium. Danko.